Hey Scott, how are you? Nice, got some concrete poured.
Yeah, finally.
Looks good.
I
Are
know.
these guys doing all this stuff right here?
Yeah, they're just wrapping up the centering, trying to get down, button up. Those window guys, the framer, and then the stucco guys came out quick.
Did they already swap the windows out?
Oh yeah.
Oh really? What are you doing in between this?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe some grass, maybe some gravel. I'm not really sure. I think I might just do some plants along here, do like a little planter box. And maybe grass up here on this side, but I want planter boxes on the top. That box and the patio too.
Are you doing that stuff yourself, or you gotta? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a hardscape guy that I had him do a bunch of stuff at my house over the last year, and they did an excellent job with all that. But like, yeah, do fucking grass in between like the steps and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they did a bunch of travertine at my house,
I don't have a good grass guy yet, but
and I just had him do some turf too.
I
It
used
came
to
out
have-
good.
He went to driving trucks. He was super awesome. But worked out.
When did they pour this?
They did this 3 days ago,
Nice.
and then we finished the second half of the driveway because they had to do 2 pours for it. And the windows, literally the day they got dropped off, they were getting it.
Really?
Yeah, so it was like a quick turnover. So and then
Dang.
the last 2 days.
Did they have to redo that whole wall?
Yeah, they had to. Well, they had to cut it out, right? And then these guys came and had to peel things off. So, but it worked out because I needed to put another light on this corner. It didn't aesthetically look like it did. So we had to punch holes and do all that. It's all working out for the best. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
it's been a super
That's
long
nice.
process and delay, but
Well, because you got the windows done quick.
Yeah.
I was thinking that could take a while.
I thought it was gonna take a while too. But it actually turned out better than I thought, and the windows are a lot nicer than they were.
So are those aluminum?
No, they're still
vinyl.
They're perforated vinyl. So they're a lot straighter.
Because those other ones didn't have that beveled piece on there, huh?
Correct. Yeah.
Huh.
So every window that moves got replaced. So only
Nice.
picture frame windows stayed.
Nice. Yeah.
But yeah, it's all
Yeah.
together. I didn't even know it was gonna come in this until I got off work. And my wife was like, there's a lot of people at the house, and I go, oh, that's good.
Are they with the Mill Garden?
No, these guys are different. These guys do stucco and siding for apartment complexes.
Oh, okay.
And I know the guy through a buddy at work. Otherwise, I wouldn't even come out and do it.
Right. Yeah. I was gonna say he had his hard hat on, which you usually don't see on these sites.
This guy is busy. Yeah, see, they pulled all this old stuff off. So we finished it. They didn't have to do any of this stuff. And then the handrail guy was here this morning. I haven't walked around the back. He's super awesome, but I think he's starting to put up posts for the stairs.
Nice.
And I have to build the stringers, you know, like the steps with the treads.
Are you doing a metal one?
It's metal now, but it's gonna be wood on top. And I bought some ash wood, you know, like they make baseball bats.
Like a spiral staircase, or is it just gonna go?
Yeah.
Oh, you got it back there.
The stucco guys had to come back and redo all this, and they've already finished. They redid this whole wall because these 2 windows got replaced.
Yep.
I can't even tell where they did it.
Yeah.
They did
No,
a
it
good
looks
job.
good.
This window got replaced, so they redid that whole wall. They redid this wall
sick.
for me because it cracked. But yeah, this.
Oh yeah.
So I got to build wood risers that go up there.
Oh yeah, that'd be sick.
But you can see he's starting. He's got like
Yeah.
the post going on. He's gonna be back tomorrow. So
That's
I
badass.
just need to build the.
And he's putting handrail on there.
Yep. So I'll have 3. I'll have a post on the ground, and I'll have 3 posts on the steps, and then one at the top.
That's freaking cool.
So you can walk up it, dude. It's
You good?
solid, yeah. What are you guys videoing today?
Oh, just we were filming some jobs earlier, and yeah. That's the big thing now. You gotta have your everything. Yeah.
That's cool though. Yeah, so he's got a big old plasma table.
Yeah.
He's punched holes and everything, so there'd be a handrail.
The cables.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the cables in, but like under here there'll be an LED light.
Yeah.
So it'll run the whole length of it.
What you know what just the handrail costs?
Well,
Like just
so
that.
all this handrail here, all the way around, and the stringer, like the staircase.
Yeah.
Was 12 grand. Not too bad for metal work.
I might get his number for you. I want some in my backyard. I have like a parapet wall. I want to put a handrail that like exactly like that, because you're gonna put the cables in there.
Yeah, which I'll do that myself.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
It's
easy.
Like $300
Yeah.
on Amazon, you know.
Yeah, I was looking at some of the like the kits and stuff they had, but I was like, I probably just need to call somebody.
Right. Yeah, he does a good job. This guy's solid. Everything's cut out precise. He powder coats everything. All the bolts are powder coated.
Nice.
He buys caps, so there'll be
Yeah.
caps that go over it. He's super meticulous, and that's what you want.
Where's he? He's out of West Valley.
No, he works out of his garage. He built a house over here behind that mountain there. Like some $10 million home.
Oh, he lives over there?
Yeah.
No kidding.
And he built a garage with a metal shop inside of it.
Nice.
So he does everything out of his garage. It's just a little LLC.
Yeah.
But
yeah, if you don't mind, share me his contact. Like if he's coming out here, it'd be easy for him to come by my house.
he'll be here tomorrow too. So
Okay.
I'll share his
Yeah.
number and maybe he can swing by.
Yeah. Because I mean, that's like exactly what I was looking at doing.
Right. I think I'm super excited about
Yeah,
that.
that.
And he's doing the gate. He came out really quick too to put posts in over the gate side. So we could bury him in concrete before so
That's cool.
good and quick, meticulous.
He obviously had all the stuff prefab before he came out.
Yeah. He measured it, and you can see how each step is identical, like perfectly cut, and put like precision holes in it. It's all with that plasma table he has.
Yeah, that's.
Like a $40,000 project.
Yeah, and it feels good too when you walk down it.
Yeah, it's super sturdy. So I just need to get the painters back out here and clean up some of the doors and the cleaners. So these two windows got replaced. The middle one didn't, but they need to come out and clean the frames a little bit, clean them up. But at least they're not crooked anymore.
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure.
Nice and straight.
Yeah, I can't believe how bad those other ones got.
Well, they were that way right out the gate.
That's crazy. They had to replace a lot of windows, I'm sure.
Yeah, and so he's doing this right now. He put
Oh.
these posts in.
Mm-hmm.
So this thing should swing out and in. And instead of putting drains in, I just had him pitch the concrete. So
Yeah.
it
Push it out that way.
Out, yeah. And the propane guy will come back and put the tank in there, hook that up. And then I'm just gonna do AD in the pockets for now, just so
Right.
it doesn't pick up the dust, you know. And the AC guy's gotta put this thing back on. But see, he's good because most of these guys, they'll put pins, you know, in the fence here.
Yeah.
He put one up here, and then he put them down low, and then we buried it, and you're never gonna get it out.
Yeah.
He just thinks outside the box. He's super creative. It's not like a
That's
cookie cutter.
him fabbing up all this stuff too. Those guys that can do that stuff with quality, they're good. They're valuable. They know it too.
Do you want him to come in and do something?
It's up to you. It's totally up to you. Yeah, you should come on in. Probably got more done in here since I've been here. Whew. Pretty nice, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, thank you. And then, yeah, I'll get this into the office this afternoon and get receipts and all that stuff over to you. So, yeah, it looks freaking good, man.
Yeah, so it's coming along. I just need to I bought the wood the other day to build the face on that. It'll be all white oak.
Yeah.
These legs.
Yeah, because I think last time I was here, I don't know if that was completely, maybe it was. You guys were still doing some stuff in here.
Yeah, we're trying to get the stoves in and then have the hood up. And we're putting faucets in and stuff, so. But all that's good to go. I was just trying to get where we're ready for CO. I can move in.
Are you trying to be in here before summer?
I'm trying to get in at the end of the month.
At the end of the month?
Yeah. It's just a matter of,
yeah,
will I get that staircase?
Yeah, because he's going to have that up. Yeah.
And then propane's good. He doesn't have to have that hooked up. It's already been cleared through the county. And then I'm trying to think, that's really it. Just the grading and the final CO.
Yeah. You're probably good on grading.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the master is done.
Is it?
Just have some baseboards. So.
Yeah, you pretty much got everything then.
I mean,
electrical's all.
Yeah. It should be livable. I just gonna finish baseboards today. I'll have the paint come out and touch up and redo. And I'm still not 100% WhatsApp or something like that. I think what was working the other day. Hold on. Maybe it's not gonna work for me.
Oh, there you go. That changed colors. Yeah.
There. So
that's cool.
The colors. I think you could. Oh, it's flashing.
What is that? One on the left.
And that's like a defroster, so to get steamy in here.
Oh yeah.
It'll just clear up the window so you can, or the glass so you can see.
That's freaking badass.
That was worth its weight in gold. They weren't that expensive for these spots.
Really?
Yeah, and they have 2 little hangers. They just hang on.
Easy to install.
Yeah, you just it'll have like a box right here where this is. It's like a control box. And there'll be a wire that goes up and you just put it forward.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
They're really, really nice.
Those are freaking cool.
I get them on Amazon for I think I did all 3 of these was like 12 bucks.
Really?
Yeah, it wasn't bad. Yeah, that's cheap. I tried to do this on budget, so
whenever they first started coming out, I remember these at least the frost glasses, like for front door frost glass. It's like 17 to 2K just for one door.
Yeah.
And it was like, what the
now they have the tint where you can frost tint, like I could frost tint that. It has some type of electronic Bluetooth thing where you hit a button and it'll instantly frost up on you.
On what?
On the glass.
On that glass right there?
Yeah, outdoor glass.
Oh, really?
And then you can hit it again and it goes back to clear.
You have that right now on that?
No.
Oh, you looking at it?
But the metal guy,
yeah,
he has it in
really
his shower and he's got, his shower is the coolest thing I've ever seen. So it's glass on the back of it and glass this way, and it has a wall with 2 shower heads on it. And the bench is floating and underneath it lights up. And he hits a button on the wall. He hits this button and all the glass goes from clear, where you can see this beautiful mountain range behind you, to just frost it out.
That's freaking
you
cool.
see it in the movies. I've seen it in a few movies where you walk into the office, the boss will hit it, and then everything goes private.
Yeah,
really.
It's just you're in an enclosed room.
Yeah, you can see
glass.
Shadows.
Yeah, no, you can maybe see the out your body form, but that's about it.
Right.
I don't know if you're a girl or you're a guy. I just know that there's somebody with a dark shirt.
Huh.
Yeah, it's the coolest.
Yeah, you probably see a lot of that stuff with the real estate. Yeah. Yeah, I guess I'm living under a rock.
My wife's not. She's been on a thing.
Oh, I'm sure. Yeah.
You're sending me all the
Yeah. I want this.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is a cool one. You want to get? I'll turn the countertop lights up.
Oh yeah, these things are sick.
You could do like a louvered back on it and stuff. It was pretty sweet. Because some of those things can get kind of like a good one. I mean, you can get cheap ones, but
Right. I'm gonna have that. My metal guy just build it.
yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, he could do it easy.
Bolt it down and concrete it in.
Yep. Yeah.
But that'll be fun when I get in the backyard.
Yeah. That'll be fun. Yeah, you think you spent a lot on the house.
One step at a time. I'll probably take out a load.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Looking good.
You guys can check, right?
Yep, I got it. So we're good. But yeah, let me know. We can definitely come back.
Okay. Yeah, I'll give you a call.
Yeah.
Cool.
Sweet. Thanks,
guys.
bro. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It helps us keep bringing you this great roofing content. Thanks for watching. TSM Roofing, we got you covered.